Okay, so this feels. Last week I was testing the RS3. So I think this at the top end feels faster than that one.
Also, I think it's also just so much more refined as well.
Yeah.
It's a different amp power compared to the previous generations that we had. Within the refinedness of the amp performance now, it doesn't feel like you're cruising. Now you are cruising, but we look at the speedometer, then obviously you see it's at like 160.
Yeah, I'm just like
120.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, this is quick. I mean, the RS3 does 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. So very low down in the rev range, it feels faster, but then it runs out of puff quite quickly. Whereas this, the longer you get up the revs, the faster it becomes.
So your torque brackets on this one as well as they vary from 550 to 600.
Yeah.
So because of that, with the twin turbo technology, it gives you that double boost. Basically.
Oh yeah.
So at 353 kilowatts from 550 to 600 torque.
Yeah.
Definitely gives you that additional boost when you need it.
Wow. Yeah. This is quite amazing. I did not expect that.
It's still a comfortable, stable, soft.
It is very comfortable. Yes. Very comfortable car. Very comfortable cruising. I mean, which is pretty amazing because you're getting everything at that price point. Whereas with an RS3, there's 300 or 400,000 worth of optional extras. So when you tally everything apples for apples, I mean, you're getting more value here. And then on a more sort of controversial sort of topic, I know that you do have your individual colors, like your frozen Portimao blue. So would you recommend someone gets a frozen color, which is basically hard to repair, or them just getting a normal metallic color and just having a matte sort of wrap around that? Yeah.
It's usual though, and wrapping a car as well can cost you.
Yeah.
If you're paying 1.5, 1.6 million, I'm thinking 60k to wrap a car isn't much for them anyway.
Yeah, anyway, yeah.
Looking for a car like this, getting something individual.
Yeah.
Personally, I would do. So
Yeah.
I would go for that frozen.
The frozen, yeah.
Or the frozen grey as well.
Yeah, and this is a solid Alpine white, right? But I mean, it looks so good. I didn't think it was gonna look this good until I saw it in the flesh, and I was like, oh man, even in Alpine white, this thing just looks fantastic. At this point, my adrenaline is through the roof. I'm excited, I'm scared, I'm shaking, I'm fanboying. And most importantly, in that very moment, you cannot convince me that the M division doesn't make the best cars in the world. That back end. It is tail happy for sure. Okay. Yeah. I'm sold.
As long as it gets your heart pumping.
Yeah. I'm definitely happier in this than an RS3 for sure.
Obviously, a different type of
Yeah, different philosophies.
Everything.
Yeah.
Entertaining both of them.
Yeah, absolutely.
from a full tank point, we've seen 680, 700, maybe pushing it.
Yeah.
That's obviously, you know, I think on average we probably get like within the 500.
Within the
maybe
500s.
600.
Yeah. So I do a lot of road trips to the Eastern Cape, and that's basically why I ask. So I probably maybe 2 tanks for
The
1,000.
M340, which is
Yeah.
about the same motors, it's just a little bit less kilowatt. But I mean, doing long distance is in Alberton.
Yeah.
He's got it down to 8.1 liters per
Oh, yeah.
which is
Yeah.
fair for 3 litre straight six.
Absolutely.